2024 AI Wars. AMD and Nvidia battle for AI supremacy. The AI chip wars are heating up. AMD has thrown down the gauntlet with its new Instinct MI300X GPU, claiming it as the world's fastest AI accelerator that beats Nvidia's top offerings. But Nvidia is gearing up for counterattacks in 2024 and 2025 that could help it regain leadership. This battle for AI performance between the two longtime rivals will have huge implications across the tech industry. With AI now powering everything from search to recommendations to autonomous vehicles, the company that powers the most advanced AI will be at the forefront of the next technology revolution. AMD delivers a powerhouse with MI300X. AMD CEO Lisa Su proclaimed the MI300X as the highest performance accelerator in the world for generative AI during a launch event this week. The specs back up those bold claims. Built on AMD's new CDNA3 architecture, the MI300X delivers over 3x more performance on key AI data types than prior generations. It packs 153 billion transistors onto advanced 3D packaging that combines 5 nanometers and 6 nanometers chiplet modules. The resulting hardware specs handily beat Nvidia's current best I/O Fearings 304 GPU compute units versus Nvidia H100E's 144. 192 GB HBM3 memory versus H100E's 80 GB. 5.3 TB per second memory bandwidth versus H100E's 3.35 TB per second. When it comes to all-important floating point performance, the MI300X achieves 163 teraflops FP32 and 81 teraflops FP64. That's around 2.5x the FP32 and 2x the FP64 performance of Nvidia's top spec H100 model. Su also made a point to highlight the MI300X's advantage in memory capacity and bandwidth over Nvidia's upcoming H200. AMD's focus on maximizing memory resources for larger AI models clearly sets it apart from Nvidia's approach. Kevin Scott, Microsoft CTO, spoke to the excitement of bringing the MI300X into production to power models like GPT-4. Ujit Matthews from Meta highlighted how the GPU's adherence to OCP standards enabled extremely fast deployment. AMD's chief AI architect made no bones about taking aim at Nvidia's AI performance crown. But what about Nvidia's response? Well, Nvidia has been upgrading its GPU architectures annually. The B100 arrives next year as the successor to the A100. Then Nvidia goes bigger in 2025 with its X-generation Xavier GPU on the leading-edge 3 nanometers process node. In fact, Nvidia founder and CEO Jensen Huang will likely pull out all the stops to meet or beat what AMD has accomplished with the MI300X. After all, despite AMD's advancements, Nvidia still owns over 90% market share in data center AI accelerators. The chip wars are back, and this time for AI supremacy. Both tech titans are armed to the teeth with top silicon and fight like their future depends on it. Expect no quarter given as AMD and Nvidia duel over the next critical 24 months. That could set the AI playing field for many years after. Buckle up, it's going to be a wild ride.